As the world's leading geospatial data authoring system, ERDAS IMAGINE delivers all the tools you need for remote sensing, photogrammetry, and GIS. With ERDAS IMAGINE, you can analyze data from virtually any source, present it in formats ranging from printed maps to 3D models, enhance contrast and preserve detail across a dynamic range, and perform powerful change detection and classification, including k-means, isodata, and object-based image segmentation. Behind the scenes, it uses powerful AI and machine learning algorithms for data processing, reducing the need for labor-intensive object identification, which gives you more time and resources to focus on analysis and decision-making. ERDAS IMAGINE offers a comprehensive solution, combining remote sensing, photogrammetry, LiDAR analysis, basic vector analysis, and radar processing into a single product. It streamlines workflows including data conversion, orthorectification, mosaicing, compression, mapping, spatial modeling, and more. Save time and money, leverage existing data investments, and improve your image analysis capabilities with ERDAS IMAGINE.